Hi, my name's Allan Kalus and I'm a plastic surgeon here at Avenue Plastic Surgery in Melbourne. And this morning we're operating on two young women in their early 20s, both of whom have chosen to have breast augmentation by autologous fat transfer. And this means we're going to transfer fat from one part of their body where they have a slight excess into their breasts. For both of these women, they've chosen their tummy, their hips and their thighs as sites from which we can remove fat. The operative plan is that we're going to take about 1 litre of fat from these areas, and after putting the fat through a preparation process, we're going to graft about 200 mils into each breast. The procedure of breast augmentation by autologous fat transfer offers many advantages over breast augmentation using implants. Firstly, we get a much more natural, softer breast. We're able to be strategic with the fat. In other words, we can place the fat into the cleavage, into the upper pole, but most importantly for many women, we're able to remove fat from areas where there's a little excess, especially those stubborn areas like the tummy and the thighs, and this stubborn fat gets put into the breast. Interestingly, we've noticed that over months and years after fat transfer to the breasts actually seem to grow in size, often quite significantly. And this is because with so many extra fat cells in the breast, if ever you were to put on weight, the weight is going to go straight to the breast rather than to your thighs or tummy. Some women still benefit from breast augmentation with implants, especially if they have very little or no fat available, and especially if they want a very significant increase in breast size. But we find that we can achieve a 1 to 2 cup size increase using a patient's own fat in most cases. In other words, we've learned to become fat hunters. We've learned to find fat in difficult areas where you wouldn't think any fat exists. And by being strategic as to where we place the fat, and then by growing the fat in your own breast, we're able to achieve a very attractive breast.